Alright, hello everyone. We're going over the video readme of my Leary app here, this homework assignment. And what you can see is you're going to basically type these four commands into the command line here, and it's going to bring up depending on which command you type in, concerts for the artist you searched. You could Spotify the song, it'll bring back that information. Type in movie this, it'll bring you back the movie data, or you can type in do what it says to pull up the random.txt file here. So the first thing we're going to do is type concert this into the command line. So we're going to go node, we're going to find leary.js, and we're going to say concert this, and we'll look for Drake. Alright, so you can see his upcoming concerts. We got the first one March 8th in Paris, France. We got some in the UK, back in France, and so on and so forth. So we're console logging. I think they asked for the name of the venue. Here it's the O2. Here's the Ziggo Dome. We got the venue location. I did the city and then the country. So I did the comma country when I console logged it in my code here. Okay, so here you can see where I did that, and then we used moment to grab the date of the event. The next command line is the Spotify this song. So I used Inquirer to do this as well, and I'll show you how that works. So we're going to type node Leary.js Spotify this song. So since I used the Inquirer, I required Inquirer for this app. You can just hit enter, and as long as I didn't make any typos, it should bring up Inquirer, and it does. So the default here needed to be the sign by Ace of Base. You can see if I don't type anything in and just hit enter, it's saying Ace of Base the sign. My second confirm here pops up. Are you ready to rock? Type yes, and it searches for Ace of Base the sign, and you can see it logs the artist Ace of Base, song's name with a comma here, same kind of thing I did. Preview link, right there's the preview link, and the album. This specific response is from the album The Sign, the remixes. Alright, so that's if you don't put anything in. Now let's go to the command line, run Spotify this song. It's going to pop up Inquirer. Let's type in tonight by the Smashing Pumpkins. Are you ready to rock? Yes, I am. Alright, so here's the response to that. So the same stuff. Alright, the third command you could type in is movie this, and it links to the OMDB API. There it is. So when we type in this command, we just do the same thing. Node Leary movie dash this, and then you're going to put the name of the movie that you're searching for. So the name of the movie I just watched was Game Over Man on Netflix, so we're going to type that in, Game Over Man. Hit enter, and that's going to bring up all the information here. So we got the title of the movie. Title, Game Over Man. The year the movie came out, 2018. IMDb rating of the movie. So one of the ratings is undefined here. The release, the ratings, oh sorry, no, the rating is here, rated MA. The Rotten Tomatoes is undefined. The country produced, USA. The language is in English, and here's the plot. Okay. Oh, so the actors is here as well. Okay. So that brings us to our last command, which is do what it says. So we're going to go node Leary, and then type in do what it says. All right. So I have a couple things coming up there. It's just saying it's loaded, and then it's going to pull up from our text file here. It's referencing the text, and it's going to search for I Want It That Way and Spotify the song. So it's using the Spotify API. So that's how you use those 4 commands. I hope you enjoy the Leary app.